Good morning, traders. It is 8 o'clock Pacific time, which would be 11 o'clock Eastern on Tuesday morning. And I just wanted to give a quick update. Again, I started off my Sunday by taking a lot of little trades, small points, mostly lost, a few gained. I was down. And then this morning at about 15 minutes after the market opened, I came and looked at my 15-minute chart. I was looking at the longer term chart, of course, and didn't know what to think exactly, but when I looked at my 15-minute chart, I saw this shape, that, and that, which obviously to me is a pretty good looking ABC. If you look at it on the 1 hour chart, ABC. So I saw that shape and I thought, well, that's interesting. And then I looked back over here at the 4 hour and realized that that's probably what it's doing, that from the high of last week, it came down to a full trend and then did a correction. And everybody's been asking, what's this market going to do this week? Is it going to break down? Is it going to go back up? I was kind of fooled by looking at Sunday night and yesterday thinking, it might want to do another bounce back up in this crazy range, this complex counter trend it's doing. This is the 4 hour chart. Here's the daily chart. So that's what I was kind of thinking of. My brain was kind of fixed on. And then when I saw this morning, I said, well, this is too good because I've trained my eye enough to where I can see the end of a trend now, even on a 15-minute time frame. I was thinking that looks like an ABC. This looks like the end of a trend. Now all I got to do is I got down to the looked at the charts in a small time frame, 15 minutes, to see what's this last leg look like. And as I've said many times before, and I'll continue to say it, I'm going to try to draw this right here. This shape right there, you will see over and over and over again at the end of a trend. It's a 3, 4, 5, I call it. I don't even care if I can see a 1 and the end of a 2 wave and start of the 3 wave. I just could see the end of the trend, which is right there at 3, 4, 5. Now that's you see a lot of that, at different parts of the market. That's in context though of this shape, ABC. So I'm looking specifically, what's the end of that C wave look like? That looked like the end of the C wave. Let me get rid of that green. And so what I did was about 15 minutes after the market opened, let me spread this out just a little bit here. As soon as I saw a impulsive wave, this candle right here, as it was pushing down, I said that looks impulsive enough to me, and I took it, went out and ran some errands, and it hung here for an hour and 15 minutes, and now it's finally just starting to break down. So what I don't know, using Elliott Wave, what we don't know is, but what I'm fairly sure of, and let me get this back where it belongs. What I don't know, is this just a correction still? Is this going to do a 1 ABC here and then keep going? But these were so evenly, this looks so even, and it's in the context of the larger downtrend that, of course, as soon as this gets down a little bit lower down here, another 10, 15 points, I'll just move my stop loss down here to break even and let her roll. Because it's Tuesday morning and I'm thinking that we are heading back down. If that was the end of that correction on the longer term 6 hour, 4 hour chart, here's the 4 hours. If that's the longer term chart, then it's heading back down. It's only Tuesday, so I've got 85, 100 points to go, maybe more if I just hang in there. So my psychology, it's hard for me to hang on to a trade for that long still, even though I know that's what the market's telling me to do. So we're going to hang with this, and it's Tuesday morning again, and I will keep you guys updated on where this trade goes. Like I say, it's not too bad. I'm kind of happy when I get in within about 8.5, 9 points of the turn, and it looks like I caught the turn. So if I'm patient, if I wait for just these setups, I could do this, probably 80% of the time, but I still get impatient and I still take other trades that aren't perfect setups, and I pay for it. So this was a good one, and I'll update you guys later today, Wednesday, Thursday, whatever happens.